Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Here is our another video and our today's topic is chemistry interview questions. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the video related notifications. Let's start the video. Explain the term aliquot and diluent. Aliquot, it is measured sub-volume of original sample. Diluent, material with which sample is diluted. Explain what is molality. Molality is number of solute that is present in 1 kg of a solvent. Explain what is buffer. A buffer is an aqueous solution which has highly stable pH. It is a blend of a weak acid and its conjugate base or vice versa. On adding small amount of base or acid to buffer, its pH hardly changes. Explain how buffer works. In buffer, when hydrogen ion is added, it will neutralized by the base in buffer. Hydroxide ion will be neutralized by the acid. On the overall pH of the buffer solution, these neutralization reactions will not show much effect. While when you select an acid as a buffer solution, try to use an acid that has pH close to your desired pH. This will help your buffer to achieve nearly equivalent amount of acid and conjugate base, so that it will enable to neutralize as much as H plus and OH minus. Explain what is mole. Mole is the unit used to define the number of chemical substance present in a substance. It is the amount of substance which consists of same number of chemical units as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram or pure carbon 12. How will you calculate how many moles of glucose present in 320 ml of 5 molar of glucose solution? First step, convert the volume from milliliters to liters. 320 into 1 liter upon 1000 milliliter equals to 0.320 liter solution. Second, use the formula M into V. 0.5 moles of glucose divided by liter solution into 0.320 liter solution equals to 1.6 moles of glucose present in 320 ml of solution. Explain what is difference between fractionation and distillation. Both methods are used to separate the compartments present in the solution based on the melting points. Distillation. This technique is used when boiling point of chemicals are different in the mixtures. Fractionation. This technique is used when boiling point of chemicals are close to each other in the mixtures. Mention the formula to calculate pH of a solution. Answer is, in order to calculate the pH of solution, you have to use the formula pH equals to minus log H plus or pH equals to minus log H3O plus. Explain what is valency. A valency is a property of groups or atoms equal to the number of atoms of hydrogen that the group or atom could combine with or displace it in forming compounds. Define what is Avogadro's law. According to Avogadro's law, at same temperature and pressure, equal volume of gases contains the same number or molecules regardless of the chemical nature and physical properties. Avogadro's number equals to 6.023 into 10 raised to minus 23. Explain what makes a molecule into organic molecule. In a molecule, when hydrogen atom is less than the ratio of carbon atom, then such molecules are referred as an organic molecules. Explain what is the metal used to extract copper from solution of copper sulfate. Fe or ferrous is a metal that is used to extract copper from the solution of copper sulfate. Explain what is the chemical composition of fat in human body. Fat found in a human body is mainly composed of glycerides plus phospholipids, glycolipids, phosphoinositides, tocopherol. Hope you like this video. For more video notifications, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.